Uptown Swing.
Level 4?
It was level 4. It is Peter.
I is Hannah.
We had many classes in one. We were doing this rollout thing, and then we got moved to a much slipperier room. Here's the rollout thing. Rock, step, triple step. Imagine all the cool things that we would have done with that. Then we did slippy slidey stuff. This is not that room. These are rubber. Here's me trying to slide. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Step, shaboom. Ugh, we worked on that. I can't really slide in here. I have to jump it. Triple step. So I did that on my last triple step. We did this. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Imagine I slid. We pause right there. Then we do sugar pushy stuff. We were working on the sugar push with the kind of variation from the followers where they get that dirty lean. Rock, step, boom. You can tip it, you can lean it. Can you do it with the hippie style? Ooh, you can do it that way. And if you get that on a slippery floor, you can be like, shaboom, it'll do a big slide. Imagine her sliding. Pretty cool, right? Then we had this little variation thing. This is one where actually I can initiate it, but she could do it after a couple if we were in the right groove. If we had this one, woo, we could come back and do our thing. One more time. Boop. Woo! Ha, ha, ha. And that is what we did. Oh, yeah!